All right, so take two or part two. I got a phone call there. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we're gonna do the tailgate. So again, the finish on it is just stellar. Absolutely gorgeous, you know, Michelin tires. Nice tires on it. Great trim rings. Look at the caps are beautifully painted out with a spray can. That's real paint job on there. Beautiful exhaust, it's gorgeous. We'll have pictures of the bottom for sure. You don't have to worry about that, so we'll have those. But suffices to say, the bottom looks just like the top. All right, I'm gonna open the tailgate just because we can. Oops, that goes up here actually. Excuse this guys while we figure this out. You got it? Trying to be gentle because it's too pretty to. Can you lift it up a little bit? All right, let's see. A little higher. All right, looking good. Anyways, I just wanted to show the finish in here because usually this gets beat up from stuff getting stuck in the crack there, basically. So this is good all the way through, up and around, so you can tell it's not all beat up or any chips or any problems with it. Again, it's not flawless, but it's high 9 out of 10. That's, you know, we're very conservative out here. We don't ever give 10s out because there's nothing that's perfect in this world. But again, just look at the finish. Very nice satin finish on the wood. The wood doesn't have a ton of grain in it. It's flat. They're not cupping or warped. The boards are all nice and flat. The stainless steel trim in between all the planks is just excellent condition. Wheel wells, nothing's been beating this bed up. It looks great. Nice, professionally coated everywhere. Just look at that, really gorgeous. Again, look at the edge of the bed, inside here, beautiful. We'll come down here, do the same. All right, we're gonna do some shots from on the side over here. All the rubber is really tight on this truck, so you gotta kind of slam the doors, but you can hear there's no rattles, there's no nothing. It's really tight. Everything on this thing is really, really tight. Just look at that quality and condition everywhere. It's just phenomenal. No rock chips in the wheel wells, edges, or anything like that. So obviously this thing hasn't been driven really much in anger. It's been babied. If you're looking for a quasi show truck, you're ashamed to go use this as a daily driver probably, but it is just such a nice truck. And we'll have a ton of pictures of it coming up. All right, we're gonna close this bed up again. So the chrome is really nice. The closing, the action of the tailgate's really nice. No problems with that. It fits really well. As you can see, look at that fit. Where he is on that end. Look at that fit, that's really nice. There's no slop in the tailgate, it's tight. Just speaks more. September 21, registration if you're getting it for California. Super nice, super nice. All right, let's go one time around the front again, just so you can get an idea. Can you fire it up one more time? Let's see how it fires up on a second shot. Just trying to show the quality here of everything. The paint, and even where you're not really paying attention, it's just such good condition. fires up on the first half revolution of the motor. The springs are really nice. Again, one more last look under here. Look at that brass radiator, that's cool. Got a clear coat on it, so you don't have to polish it. And everything is just beautiful in here. Look at that finish. Really nice, just really nice. It's clean everywhere, down inside. It's all been disassembled. Full restoration on this thing. There's your tour. Sorry if it's a little long, but we'd rather you see it real well and understand what you're getting. Look at the finish in here. Everything's beautiful. Hood closes perfectly, snug, tight, no slop in the hood. Very good panel fit. Considering the year of the truck and what quality they used to build these things, you know, this has really got some good panel fit. Somebody worked with that. See the body lines? Very nice. Body lines here are good. See down at the door? Nice. All of these are nice. Nice fit. Look at all that. That's, you know, somebody worked on this to get it this tight. Because they don't come this well. You know, look at this gap all the way down. Even, consistent gaps. All right, let's kill this thing. Wow, nice. All right, we'll be taking more pictures of it, and hopefully if you have any questions or you need to sell something, you can contact us at 408-768-1696, and it's proautoshowroom.com to see this. And you'd be buying this directly from the seller. What we do is we get vehicles marketed, but we don't sell them. You're going to deal with the seller. Nice guy. He loves quality, and he sure has a quality truck here. So if that's what you're after, give us a ring. 408-768-1696, and we'll put you in touch with his seller. Thank you.